Oh, we're gonna run these down south, baby. Run these down south, man. All right, so I've made it to the first location, our first drop. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to figure out which one of these items they're getting, because I have 2 drops and I'm at the first one. And I want to get these straps off and get this crap off of here as quickly as possible. The thing is, I don't know what the hell they're gonna take. So I guess I'm gonna start reading numbers. So check back in with you. All right, so I just went inside and showed them the bills of lading, and they asked me how many items I had for them, and I told them, honestly, I don't know. I don't even know how to read this paper. And I gave it to him, and he said, all right, let me see it. He turned around and said, "Hell, I don't know how to read this paper." So I'm like, yeah. So I don't know. They told me to pull up forward a little bit, and I guess he's gonna come out here and hopefully bring somebody else who understands how to read this, because this says that there's 18 items on here for them. I don't even think there's like more than 10 items on my trailer. I don't know what's going on, but it's some hokey pokey stuff, man. I mean, the simplest things get turned into like a bunch of bullshit. Let me see. 1, 2. Yeah, they're gonna have to get somebody to figure this out. We touch base with you, man. Hold on. All right, that was another completed drop. Now we just gotta drop these two little units off, and that'll be it for that. So right now I'm just rolling up these straps. But since we did this drop right now, the world is a better place. Yep, the world's a better place right now. And I was trying to think of a reason why, and I guess the reason why is that instead of robbing and plundering, I'm actually doing an honest day's work. And if everybody did that and worked for a living instead of not working or breaking the law or anything, the world would be a better place. Maybe I'm finally contributing. So I'm gonna roll up these straps, put everything away, and head out north to my second drop. And we're gonna continue to make the world a better place. Geese. Oh, also before I forget, my unexperienced stupid ass, man, I was tightening these straps, right? This is a 2-inch strap, but I have some 4-inch straps back here. And I over tightened this damn strap air conditioning unit, right? Look what I did, man. I crushed it. I'm crushing it out here, man. Just not in a good way. So put all this junk in my box, man. I'm hoping that they don't notice, or at least they don't, you know, at least they take it easy on me. Shit. Literally the first time I've ever hauled these things, and I wasn't thinking, man. God forbid if this was like drywall, I would have destroyed it, right? But lesson learned, straight up.
Oh, dang. Sipping on my like a trap star. It's a gift I count.
That dude lost 2 tires, man. 2 tires clean off the rim, and that car was destroyed. I-80. Oh yeah, I-80 shut down eastbound. All these people got to exit, man. So that tractor trailer, the trailer had like 2 tires blown completely off the rim, and then there was an automobile with a completely crushed front end. But look at this traffic, man. This is miles of traffic on 80 eastbound. If you guys are on 80 eastbound, I feel sorry for you. Please.
After 2 miles, keep right and...
All right, and we're done. We got unloaded, and they did notice the damage on those tops of those AC units, so they're gonna make a note on the bill for that, I'm sure. But clean up these straps, go pick up the next load. All right, well, here's the next load. We got 2 F550 chassis, and we're gonna be putting these wheel straps on them. And right now, I need a ladder. Shit. There's dirt falling in my face and shit. Jesus Christ. Like that. Go. See if we can get this one started. Oh, damn it. Come on. There we go. That ain't gonna work. Damn it. See how it came out? Oh, you bitch. All this dirt flying off sucks, man. I think that's good. You always want to tighten the back one first. Get this on here. Get a, like, you know, a couple pulls on this just real fast just to get it in here. Then you come back here and crank this sucker down so that it pulls backwards, and then you come back and pull this front one. So let's do the next one. Fucking face. Jeez.
Dirty ass tires, man. But I don't think I actually have to. All right. One more? Okay. Now let's go tackle the front. One more? One more maybe? Okay. All right, I'm confident with that. Let's go do the rear. Don't touch the trim. 150 pound ramp. Oh, 150 pound ramp ain't nothing. All right, let's go over here. Now, this is what a lot of people actually do. What they'll do is they'll completely remove the strap. Somehow, right? There we go. I'll take this one out too. Oh look, just feed it through there like so. That's all you gotta do. So you take the strap completely out, and then you'll, that's upside down. It needs to be like this. Then you'll come over here, just throw it over, and fit it nice and evenly around the top of the tire. Get it all nice and pretty. Like that. Yeah. That's not pretty. What the fuck is going? There you go. Atta bitch. Alright. Just like that. And then you'll thread your strap through. Thread it through and kind of set it up here, huh? No, let's do it right here. We'll get that threaded in there, right? And then just get it a couple, boom. And now you can go up here, thread this one in, huh? How the Canadians talk. Thread it in there, All right, so you thread your strap in there like that, and then you'll hook it, cinch it up, get you a couple turns on this one here. There you go. And you'll come back here and you'll just throw the hammer of Thor on this bad boy. That is super tight. Thor. My hammer. I know I'm a fucking nerd. Give me a break. I'm really not a nerd like that. I just pretend to be, because all the, all you bookworm girls, all you smart girls, co-eds, y'all like somebody who's kind of weird like you, I guess. I don't have a problem with this. I think this is good. We'll hope so, right? I'm gonna go do it here because that's empty now. So all this needs to be sprayed with PB Blaster because you can see how weathered and nasty it is. Corroded. Better to spray it than fight with it, right? It's a healthy spray. God, this stuff is just tangled up like nobody's business, man. Spaghetti monster. Yes, I know, Mike. I should have moved those blocks. I forgot. Well, might as well start here, right? Come on now. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Come on. There you go. Bitch. Asshole. So make sure the strap is even, like just like you see it right here. Make sure it looks like this on the other side too. You know what I mean? That way when it's pulling down, you've got equal, whatever the hell you want to call it. You professionals know what I'm talking about more than I do. But here we go. So thread it through here. This thing's got this fucking memory in it. Memory is a really good thing, but it's not a good thing when you're threading ratchets and straps. And give that a little whirl. Get this one started. I would do like a how-to video on how to use wheel straps, but one, I'm not the best orator or explainer of things.
Well, we're gonna run these down south, baby. Run these down south, man. What is this, a F550? Yes. We're gonna run these down south.